Yes, good morning students. Welcome in YouTube channel class 12th chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. In last video we discussed about the formula of 2 tan inverse x. There are three formula: 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, and 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, and third formula is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so first of them we proved in first video. Again I repeat, cos 2 theta, put tan inverse x equal to theta, so x is equal to tan theta. Use the formula tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So put the value of tan theta, which is x. So tan 2 theta is equal to 2x upon 1 minus x square. Put the value of tan is transfer in right side. So 2 theta is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Therefore theta is equal to, put theta is equal to tan inverse x. Therefore 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Second formula, sin inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 minus x 1 plus x square. Put, we know that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Put the value of tan theta, which is x, and put the value of theta, which is tan inverse x. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Next, same, cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Put the value of tan theta, which is x, from equation second. So put cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. And put the value of theta, which is tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now we discuss about example 3. In example 3, there are two parts. In first part, 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. आप इसको फॉर्मूला की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज एज द फॉर्मूला एंड लर्न दिस. So proof of this formula, let sin inverse x is equal to theta, so x is equal to sin theta. Now we use the formula of sin 2 theta, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin inverse x equal to theta, x is equal to sin theta. Put sin theta is equal to x upon 1 as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So base we have to find, which is equal to root 1 minus x square. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is root 1 minus x square upon 1. So cos theta is equal to root 1 minus x square. Now put the value of cos theta and sin theta in formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2 into x into root 1 minus x square, and 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Put the value of theta, which is sin inverse x. So 2 sin inverse x, 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Second part, 2 cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2 cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Means 2 sin inverse x भी sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square के इक्वल होता है, और 2 cos inverse x भी इसी के इक्वल होता है sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. So for this, consider cos inverse x is equal to theta. So implies that x is equal to cos theta, and put the cos theta in right triangle. So it is perpendicular base upon hypotenuse, that is x upon 1. X is base, hypotenuse is 1. So x upon 1. So find perpendicular, which is root 1 minus x square. P means perpendicular. P means perpendicular. So find sin theta from right triangle. Sin theta is equal to root 1 minus x square, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now we use the formula of sin 2 theta, same as 2 sin theta cos theta, and put the value of sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta is root 1 minus x square and cos theta is x. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2x root 1 minus x square, and 2 theta is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square, and put the value of theta, which is cos inverse x. So 2 cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. You all are use these two as formulas. इन दोनों को आप फॉर्मूला की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं. 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square, and 2 cos inverse x is equal to also sin inverse 2x root 1 minus x square. Now we discuss example 4, that is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So taking LHS use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. We have proved in previous videos this formula. So use tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11, that is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 by 11, and calculate this. So it is equal to tan inverse 15 upon 20, that becomes tan inverse 3 by 4. Example 5, which is important, most important example. So keep and prepare this example. First method, express tan inverse cos x upon 1 minus sin x, where x is greater than minus 3 pi by 2 and less than pi by 2 in simplest form. We have to convert this in simplest form. So we use these formulas from 11th class. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. We know that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. So in half angle, cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And second formula we use, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So in half angle, sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And the identity, we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Also sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is equal to 1. As example, sin square 30 plus cos square 30, you can find sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 1. So always remember sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, where theta is any real number for same value. Theta कोई real number हो सकता है. So put these values in given question, tan inverse cos x upon 1 minus sin x, that is cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and sin x 1 is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. As we know that cos sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is equal to 1. Same cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 is also 1. So we use cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 as the place of 1. And for the place of sin x, that is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. It is whole square of a minus b, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. But remember that it is not sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 नहीं लिखेंगे इसको. We write this as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Use numerator a square, the identity a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. So it is cos x by 2 square minus sin x by 2 square, that is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So cancel one factor and divide cos x by 2 in numerator and denominator. So tan inverse cos x by 2 upon cos x by 2 1, and sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is equal to tan x by 2. Cos x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is 1 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 is 1. And we can write it in tan x by 2 into 1. We know that 1 is the value of tan pi 4, that is tan 45. So put the value of 1 as tan pi 4. Tan pi 4 plus tan x by 2 upon 1 minus tan pi 4 into tan x by 2 for making the formula. Since it is the formula of tan theta plus tan phi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan phi, that is tan theta plus phi. So here this formula is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, and tan inverse function remove the tan, so pi by 4 plus x by 2 is the required simplest form. Next example number 6. Write cot inverse 2x square, cot inverse 1 upon root 1 minus x square in simplest form. So put x is equal to sec theta. Remember these points मैंने नोट कर दिए हैं. if in any question root x square minus 1 is there, then you can put x equal to sec theta or x is equal to cosec theta. If any function is in the form of root 1 minus x square, so you have to put x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta. Next, if root x a square minus x square is there, then put x equal to a sin theta or x equal to a cos theta. And root 1 x square minus a square, for that put x equal to a sec theta or x equal to a cosec theta. And root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x or root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, you can put x equal to cos 2 theta. And 1 plus x square or root 1 plus x square, you can always put x equal to tan theta or x equal to cot theta. And